This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Sheryl Copeland. 2.60 unrestricted acres located just off 282 near Carter's Lake. Lot is the perfect combination of gentle, rolling, and steep. You will enjoy having your very own creek frontage and hear the relaxing sounds. Experience the seclusion while still being close to town, where you can enjoy the local shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Property is also conveniently located near Carter's Lake, where you can enjoy the boat ramp, hiking trails, picnic area, fishing, and swimming area. Come build in the mountains. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheryl Copeland at 706-276-1254.